In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take and edit listing photos for your Etsy shop. Let's start by discussing your setup. Lighting is crucial, and for the best results, I recommend using natural daylight by positioning yourself near a window. If that's not possible, softbox lights can offer even lighting without harsh shadows. Next, think about your background. Choose something clean and neutral, such as white, beige, or light gray, to keep the focus on your product. Alternatively, lifestyle backdrops can help show your product in a real-world context. But remember, we're just enhancing the product, not distracting from it. When it comes to props, keep things minimal. Use them only when they truly add value or enhance the narrative of your product. For example, a simple mug could be placed on a wooden table surrounded by a scattering of coffee beans. As for equipment, a smartphone with a good camera is perfectly sufficient. But don't underestimate the value of a tripod. It helps maintain stability and consistency throughout your shots. Once your setup is ready, it's time to take the photos. Be sure to capture multiple angles: front, side, back, top, and some close-ups. This gives potential buyers a comprehensive view of your product. Pay special attention to showing off any unique textures, patterns, or personalization options your product might have. It's vital to convey scale, too. Including a familiar object or model can help customers understand the size of your item. Lifestyle shots are key as well. Show your product being used in real life. This could mean jewelry being modeled or wall art hanging beautifully on a wall. And if you offer variations like colors or sets, group these together in a single shot. Now, let's move on to editing your photos. You don't necessarily need professional software for this step. Many free tools will do the job just fine. Start by brightening and adjusting the exposure to ensure your photos are clear and vibrant, not dark or dull. Correcting colors is important as well. Your product colors online should match reality as closely as possible to avoid customer dissatisfaction. Cropping and alignment are another important aspect, with square or vertical photos fitting best on Etsy. Make sure your product is centered. If needed, consider removing the background entirely for a cleaner look. Tools like Canva or Remove.bg are great for this. Maintaining consistency in your editing style across all your photos makes your shop look professional and cohesive. Finally, it's time to upload your photos to Etsy. Navigate to your shop manager, click on Listings, and select Add a Listing. You can upload up to 10 photos for each listing. Choose your first image wisely, as this will be your thumbnail, the first glimpse buyers get when they see your item in a search. Arrange your photos logically to tell a story. Start with an overview, then move to details, lifestyle shots, and finally variations. With these steps, you'll have compelling, professional photos that can showcase your products in their best light.